it over here though.
I'll bring it on the other
Bring
side.
it over here. Okay, now, Chuck, put them both like this, with the pipe against the wall.
That,
No, put that one like this way.
but how can I get the pipe against the wall if I put it that way?
No, Chuck, turn it this way, put the pipe against the wall. There you go, no, too far, now take it back. Take it back, okay, okay, right there. Okay, and, bring, now, back it out,
A little bit.
a little bit. Straight back, okay? And then now we'll take this one and just bring it up alongside that one. Yeah, right there. Okay.
Okay.
Put the glue on top of one of those pumps. Put the glue right on top of one of those pumps. Set it right on top. On top of the pump. Put the glue on top of the pump. There you go. Okay, now, wet that, okay, now listen. You're gonna have to wet that pipe again, and then wet this here, and then wet this, and then after you wet this, put it on. But wet the pipe again. Wet the pipe again, because it's harder to wet the pipe than it is the joint. You're gonna spray that joint. Okay, set the check valve on it.
Doesn't matter which way.
Quickly.
Doesn't matter which way.
No? Just like that.